Yes. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. It's Friday here and we are getting ready for the weekend, actually getting ready for Christmas also. So take a look at some of the decorations. We've done a few pictures. I'll do a b-roll in some other videos. We will keep sharing the Christmas decorations, but take a look at the pictures and we'll start the vlog after that. And here is our Christmas tree, which Karishma decorated with Ivanka's help. It's looking so cool. I will do more b-rolls afterwards, but for today, this is what I want to show you. We've got all the Christmas decorations out. Even the cushions are Christmas cushions. Stockings are ready for Santa. We've got all kinds of decorative items, and this is the whole house. I'm just showing you a little bit of everything. And this is my favorite Santa over here. So yeah, this is what we do for Christmas. All the lights are on, and when you turn off the lights in the night, this is the cross. So don't forget Christ in Christmas. Remember that. I know the whole world celebrates Christmas, but remember Christ, because that's his birthday. Here we have some more here. And all these are Christmas decorations. We put away our normal decorations. It's a little dim light today, but for sure, hope you can see it. More here under the TV. It's our favorite Christmas dog. It's a dog, Santa kind of dog with a light. And then our passageway has some lights also. Very simple stuff, guys, nothing fancy, but yeah. I picked up this Impact Whey Protein by MyProtein. There's actually a very big website here for the US of MyProtein, and I've got the mocha flavor. So the sad news is there's no kulfi flavor, there's no masala chai flavor, nothing of that sort. So this is a 2.2 pound bag, which is 1 kilo, and the price of this was $29, but I got a Black Friday sale on, so I paid about $15. So it was 40 to 50% off for this 1 kilo bag of MyProtein. And so far Darren has had one scoop of this with milk, I guess, after his workout, and he loved it. So we have 2-3 protein shakes in the house, but this is the first time we are trying MyProtein, and Darren liked it. Now I'm going to get Karishma to try it, and to be honest, she's never drunk protein shake in her life, but she can taste it and tell us. And I'm also going to taste it after my gym workout today. So let's see how it goes. Finished the workout, and the pool is looking so tempting, but it's not open yet. I don't know why the pool is still shut. Hopefully soon we'll be able to do a little swimming indoors. A lot of people thought I disowned my Mercedes, but I'm pretty much using it at least 3 times a week. Just getting my seatbelt on, and as you can see, guys, it's fully rainy and getting to be raining all Saturday. Tomorrow too will be rain. So just leaving the gym, Dhaval just drove off. He was with me, and we went to the gym all week this week, all 5 days. So I'm very proud of that. Anyway, see you at home, and watch the video to the end. We're gonna get Karishma to drink some protein shake. Okay guys, this is the protein that I bought, and I'm gonna try it. I'm a little tired after gym, but that's not gonna stop me. So I've got my blender here. It's important to have a good blender. I'm gonna put the protein into the blender, blend it, and hopefully get a good video out of this. So I'm going to put 1 scoop because I don't want to overdo it. I'm going to have dinner after that. And I'd like to put an ice cube because this blender is so powerful. This is, by the way, the Vitamix E310 blender. So look it up. It's one of the best blenders you can buy. It's 1 cube of ice. Is that hot water? I don't want hot water. I don't want too much milk in it. And we've got Karishma behind the camera, so she's gonna taste it as well. So simple. Everyone knows how to make a shake, but I thought let me show you guys again. And let's start.
You want me to stop and start another thing?
Alright, that's about 45 seconds in the machine. And I'm going to pour a little for Karishma too. Karishma, are you looking forward to it?
Yeah, sounds interesting.
You won't throw up, right?
No, I like smoothies.
Have you ever had a protein shake before?
No, I haven't.
So Karishma's first time. Let me pour more for me because it's mostly for me. See, the ice has totally emulsified because it's a good blender. So get a good blender which really can incorporate your ice, and we do all sorts of soups and everything in this blender. So this is the Vitamix blender, guys, and I'm going to have the first sip. This is the first time tasting my protein. Pretty good. It's light, it's not too thick. So let's see what Karishma has to say.
Hi everyone, so I'm gonna be the guinea pig now.
So let's see, Karishma.
Yeah.
You're not going to throw up, I hope.
No, I won't. I usually enjoy it.
I'm sorry I make you do this, but it's just for fun.
Yeah, it's good. It looks looking interesting.
Let us know what you think. So this is the mocha flavor, guys. My protein.
It's pretty neat.
Yeah.
It is. You do get the mocha flavor come through, and you don't get any chunks of ice. So like Ryan, you said, I think the blender's done a good job of really
Incorporating.
incorporating it. And,
It's not too heavy.
No, it's not. It's pretty neat.
It's quite light,
Just have it
and
for dinner.
so my daughter Ivanka won't try it, but Darren drinks this very often. So we just use a regular milk, cube of ice, a scoop of protein, and yeah, great.
I think it's cool, and like you do sometimes, you put some fruit, etc. in it. It
Yeah.
just gives it a different flavor. So
Yeah.
something definitely that you can build on.
Okay, good.
Good one.
Thanks, Karishma. Are you going to finish it?
I may. Let's see.
Guys, signing out. Have a lovely weekend.
Bye guys. Here's to a nice and restful weekend ahead for all
Take
of you.
care. Bye.
Bye bye.